Miami's intense heat keeps air conditioners working hard all year long. Like any frequently used system, your AC requires regular maintenance and immediate repairs when problems occur. That's where Cool Squad steps in. We are your reliable partner in maintaining a cool, comfortable home or business. We service all brands and types of AC repairs, including poor cooling or no cooling at all, water or refrigerant leaks, thermostat malfunctions, compressor, condenser, or fan failures, among others. At Cool Squad, we have the expertise and quality parts to fix your AC quickly and efficiently. We provide reliable, guaranteed service with certified technicians at a fair price. We're licensed, insured, and work with all major brands in the industry. Don't wait. If your AC is failing, call Cool Squad or schedule a visit online today. Cool Squad, your solution for a cool and comfortable space.